Hi everyone, this is Mr. Frogowski, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a title page correctly in MLA format. There are a few complexities associated with it, but once you do it once or twice, you'll get the hang of it pretty easily. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is double click in the header section. And before you type anything, you want to click different first page because the header on your first page is going to be different from your subsequent pages. So just click it and you'll see a check mark come in. And how you set it up is you're going to put your first name. So let's say that I am John Smith. You're going to put the teacher's name, depending on who your teacher is. The course name, so I'll just put World History CP or whatever course you're taking with me. And then you're going to put the due date, not when you began starting the paper, but when the paper is actually due. Now the thing about the date is that you're going to put it in a European style method. That's just the way it is. So you're going to put the day, followed by the month, and then the year as such. Okay? But before we click out of it, you'll notice that it is not in Times New Roman font. It is not in font size 12, so we need to adjust this because in MLA format, everything is in Times New Roman. So let's highlight this. You can hit Control A. We're going to change the font up here to Times New Roman and change the font size to 12. Now we're still not done because this header needs to be double space. So what we're just going to do is hold down Control and the number 2 at the same time, and you'll notice that it will now double space. So once you do that, just click outside of the header, and you'll notice that basically everything's complete except we need a title. So let's say we are doing a research paper on Napoleon Bonaparte. Great, so we'll just say that's our title. You are not going to bold it or underline it or increase the font size of it. You're not doing anything like of the sorts. You're simply going to leave it like this. It's not on a separate page. It's just simply like this. One last thing that you will need to do is, again, change it to Times New Roman font size 12. But once this is complete, you can begin starting your paper. And it's literally that easy. So let's say you're typing away on Napoleon Bonaparte and you go on the second page. Well, what are you going to do since the header does not appear on the subsequent pages? Same thing again. Double click in this header portion and you'll notice this tab up here that says page number. Go over top of page, play number 3, and you'll notice the number 2 automatically picks up. And then you'll put the last name. In this case, John Smith's last name, Smith 2. And we're almost done. Again, we need to convert it to Times New Roman, font size 12. Once you do that, you do not have to touch the header page again because it will automatically change the page number. You'll see that now that I'm on the third page, it says Smith 30. If I was on the fourth page, it would automatically say Smith 4. So once you do that, you are set to go, and it took us less than 3 minutes and 30 seconds, so not too bad for the first time. All right, thank you.